across shore fishing. Catch the vibes. Pull it up. Pull it up, 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 pull it up. Sun bust early on the Caribbean blue. Riding on me and yeah, me know what to do. Man take go be a breeze, kiss my face. Salt for my skin, yeah, me day in my place. Camera rolling, whole crew live. When the line starts scream, you know, say we arrive. Real spin fast, heartbeat quick. From the sea to the screen, yeah, we never miss.
When the water start boil and the rod them bend, every man pon deck know say this a win. Pull it slow, hold it firm, don't rush the fight. When Jamaican shore fishing, they are it right.
Talk Jamaican shore fishing, pull it in. Pop big wave rock, yeah, we ride in the wind.
Ooh, fish on. Got you. Got you. Fish on. Lizard fish. Woo. Ooh, fish on. Got you. Alright, guys. Bless up yourselves. I bite too, doggy. Yeah, guys. So, whole aim was get down here and cast this spot and not get my sneakers wet. But oh shit, get up on this rock and see if I could pick something up here. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing. I want to go in there. I'm gonna have to walk around. Huh? I'm just checking the shallows first, cause ooh, you seen that? Long jaw just hit it a while ago, got jumped off. I'm gonna go out there, come on. Let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna walk the rocks, you know me already. Deep rock climber. Ooh, you seen that, cuz? Cuz, you seen him grab it? It looked like a lizard fish. Ooh, cuz he grabbed it and missed again. Fucker. That boy vicious, boy. Ooh. I gotta get a bird's eye view and see what's going. Oh man. I knew we got a little action.
Oh, I get what you're trying to say.
Ooh, fish on. Gotcha.
I get what you're saying.
Hmm?
Those lure rods. Yeah, that's the same one.
Gotcha. I know it is. I know it is.
You want to save them for me? We gonna put them back.
Put what back? Lizard fish don't go back. No.
Put back.
He's a lizard fish.
I get what you're saying now, cuz you heard? just saying. Basically,
Wash your hands, bro.
Those lure rods, right? Those lure rods cost money, right? Versus the wire.
And everything else, yeah.
It's a that's more of an expensive setup than the other one. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Got you.
Yeah, you gotta break out the
Swift.
other lure rod,
That's
man. We gotta
small
go,
one.
we
You
gotta
can
go
throw them
fish
back
for
if you
fish.
want, cause you ain't gotta keep him, huh?
Yeah.
Put them back. Yeah, I know. He's gone. Ooh, another one again, cuz. Yeah.
You feel that? It's like, okay, now it's playtime. You feel me?
Yeah, yeah. Alright, cuz, may I go up top? Come. We're gonna walk around. I wanna get on that wall, cuz. Fuck. Get on that wall. Whoop, whoop. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yeah. Eh?
Yeah, this is the spot right here, cuz.
I just got hit by a barrel a while ago.
Yo, this is the spot right here, man.
I just got hit by a barrel just now.
Alright?
That's why the lizard fish are around. Look over here, cuz. All the bait fish. A lot of bait fish. I told you this is where the bait fish was, cuz. This is where I ran into that big ass barrel, cuz. Let me look for this. I don't want you to get in my way of my cast.
No, nigga. I'm just trying to get somewhere where it's like, man, nigga, you keep coming towards me. You know what I'm saying?
Just stay behind me. Don't go in front. Cuz you can't go for your bait and sit, you know. When there? Bumbuckler. Let me cast him, cuz. When there? When gone? I gotta cast past him. I can't cast. You understand? I gotta cast them this way, that way, or that way to this way. I'm seeing, man. I'm seeing, cuz. You see one, someone up, you see him? He's chasing the lure a while ago. Nah, while you, man. And it's sitting lick after it over there for a while. Snapper, right? Ooh, you seen that, cuz? Yeah, yellowtail. Got you. Fish on. Lizard fish. Woo! Big boy. Another fatty. This one ain't going back, cuz. Huh? Yeah.
Wait.
Alright, go ahead. Grip his mouth. Yeah, put in a jaw, in a mouth, in a mouth. No, not in a gill. Not in a gill, show him mouth, cuz. Give me. Right there. And that's on my jaw. So him can't possibly come loose when you do that. Right now him get fucking up.
And stay up.
And hook up bad. Pull it. I'm gonna let go of the hook and grab it back from out here, so.
Cut it out. Cut out it, yeah.
Cut it. Here. That barra boy. You see, I knew I was coming down here for one of them cause I know the bait fish is always here. Eh? I know this. We're about to go to the other spot now. I'm gonna finish walking this wall and we're leaving. Nothing. Oh shit. Whoop whoop. Alright, let's go. You guys ready? Let's go. I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna see if it's a color difference. See if he's gonna go for this. We'll see if he's gonna go for this. Sometimes it's the color, bro. Ah, boy. Let's go, bro. I was trying the color difference. Let's go. Let's head to the pier so you guys can fish. Come on. Taras. Yo, Mr. One lizard fish lick this look while I get when cause the hook pan is getting knocked still. The hook pan is I've got to change. I've got to change the hook off of this lawyer. Nope. It would have been two, but that adds to the bit.
How much you call the other one a lizard?
Yeah?
That one have bigger.
Yeah.
What's that other one with the teeth?
That was a lizard fish as well.
Nah, the first one you caught. That big one you caught.
That's a barracuda.
A baby barracuda.
That's a adult barracuda, but he's like 3 pounds. Baby barracudas. Once he's over 2 pounds, he's good to go for me. This one got greedy. A lot of seaweed here, guys. Lots and lots of seaweed. Damn, all them rocks move, boy. Yeah, this water is definitely deep, cuz. Alright, take out the line for me, cuz I'm gonna tie up a rig for cuz too. For this thing. Hey, cuz, cast this out on the meantime.
Hold on, keep picking this up right here.
Careful, don't watch your back step and you don't step back on the rod.
Don't worry about, one thing about me, Jerry, when it comes to your shit, I'm gonna be more careful with yours than I will with mine.
Ooh! Fish on. Got you.
Yep. Got one. Got one.
Watch out. Mackerel. Spanish mackerel.
That's a good one right there. That's all on tape, right?
Spanish mackerel. Got it on tape, boy. Everything is on tape.
Camera, stay rolling.
Camera stay rolling.
Yo, bro, if you had was
Spanish mackerel, guys. Look at that. Outside. I'm that good, nigga.
Alright, so check this out, cuz. This is the setup right here. You got this
Yeah.
with an anchor on it.
Oh shit, he almost flashed the hook into me. You know I better use my pliers and be safe. Be careful.
Now going back, bucko.
Bucko. Hold on a second here, bucko. Yeah, these niggas are active. They're well active. But let's go. Come on, relax. You're dead off. Alright, there you go. Bucko. Watch my. He was cruising, boy. Good eating boy too, you know. Cuz. Good eating boy too.
Like a jack. Eat like a jack or stuff.
Kingfish. Show him now cooler, cuz. Hold on, I gotta fix this hook.
Alright. This nigga's going ham, nigga. What's that, 5'4"?
Hmm?
Huh? You got a big enough cooler? I think I might have to buy a cooler off a fisherman.
My name is Jamaican Shore Fishing, bro.
Alright, guys.
Cuz just called himself a slippery dick, everybody. And he slide out on your hand. He's scared to touch it that I said it's a slippery dick now.
This is a parrotfish.
Not a parrotfish, cause it's a slippery dick. That's the name of the fish. Hey guys, my battery was kind of dying. I think my memory card's probably up on this thing already, but it's been a great day. Thank you guys. Licky no. Spanish mackerel, a long time. I'll catch one. Can't believe I lost that red and white lure a while ago, bro. You know I was gonna dive off and get it as soon as it landed. I saw where it went. It was right there in front of us. I was gonna dive off and grab it, and I was like, you know what? I'm not even gonna wet up my blood clot self today. I could have dived off and grabbed that shit because I seen exactly where it went.
Right here in this area with them two white things that's floating.
Yep. It's all right. Shore fishing. I lost the lure while I was fishing. Kind of got me a bit upset. I hate doing that. It's one of my favorite ones, but no qualms. Just replaceable. Just the sun's stepping up now. I've been at it since 5 o'clock this morning. I'm kind of tired, so I was here giving Cuz a lesson, and trust me, it's been crazy. Been crazy. So I might have to push back out in the evening and try it again. I don't know, but stay tuned for the next video. This is it. Great hookups, great time, great journey. Have a great time, guys. Love you guys. Bless yourselves. Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. Alright, Jamaican Shore Fishing. Big up yourself. Thank you guys for joining the channel. But we're going to end this trip like this because all the fish that we caught today, we stopped at my friend Marvin's shop, his store, his place. And we're big up my bridge on Marvin at Bulls Bay. And we stopped. And we're using my portable stove for the first time. So this is what's up. For the first time, we got the stove lit. Cuz we're going to deal with the fish, some of the fish that we caught. And we're going to drink some rum and eat some fish. That's what's up. Jamaican Shore Fishing. Stay tuned. We are out here. So we are in the video. Look at this stove. We have Bud. And Marvin and Black off right now. Look here. Where's the Marvin? We have cooked fish. We have cooked fish, guys. I will stop. I'm going to drink 2 juice and go and ease back. And after the trip, you know where we go already. Big up Jamaican Shore Fishing, guys. And big up to you guys. And we had to push out this video for you guys. Tony is here, my cousin from Foreign. We're trying out the fishing today. You guys are going to see that in the clip. And Cuz there right now. Cuz.
Yeah, but me tell you where from
Jesus. Yeah, listen now. You see rum? The rum will do things that you never expect. Know about Cuz? Yeah. So we're outside, guys, and doing our thing. So stay tuned for the next upcoming video. Bless yourself. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ad. We are out here. Ready? Ready before we touch the road again, guys, because we have to do the road now, because we have some things to do on the road. So we stop quick, get that snack out of where we catch, and I eat that. Finally look a portable stove. Bless up yourself. Outside. Mud. We're going to yam fish. It's fish here. You fry. Jesus, he hot. Stove, but look at yours. Guys, no joke. Cuz, come here, Cuz.
I just trying to run it up.
Bad, man.
Aim just bite piece here hot like a fire.
Come on.
Yeah.
Just come off a stove, Cuz. That stove they hot.
You might as well let it cool.
Marvin not eat none.
Marvin, take one for you.
Marvin eat fish. No, sir. It's hot like a fire, Cuz.
I'm already eating already.
Jesus, you eating already?
Why you want me?
Anybody want fish?
I would fish every
Gentlemen,
day.
anybody want fish?
You heard?
Get fish, sir.
Yeah.
I would fish.
Where's it?
Yeah, thank you. Okay, thank you, boss, on this boys, okay? And nice to meet you.
That's what's up, bro. Big up yourself, alright?
Yeah.
Ella, fish.
There's a fish there, man.
See fish here, bro.
Leave it there.
You want fish? Eat fish, bro. Oh, rat. Look at me on your hand. You better take what you want.
Take up a fish.
Me can't take what you want. You have to take what you want, though. So we do it, guys. Outside. So thank you guys for joining the channel. And guys, listen to me. On the next video, we'll see you. Thank you guys for joining the channel. And big up yourself, Jamaican Shore Fishing. Enough love and respect to you. Just please like, share, subscribe, and watch us. And we are out here. Big up on yourself. Enough love.